everyone.
We are the Group 1. So today, we are here to present our investigation about vegetable vendors.
Our choosing business is a vegetable vendors who sells fresh vegetables in local market. They provide different kinds of vegetables every day and help supply fresh to food, families, restaurants, and other customers. The market structures we investigating is perfect competition. We chose these market structures because there are many vegetable vendors selling similar products. Customers can easily compare prices and buy from any vendors they prefer. No single seller has complete over the price. Prices are mainly demanded by supply and demand. We selected vegetable vendors because they are common in our community and are very important part of everyday life. They also represent a good example of perfect competition where many sellers compete by offering fresh products, good service, and fair prices.
And now, let's begin our investigation. Good day, everyone. So we are here to interview Ma'am Julie May and on her business, like vegetables. First question.
This is our first question. Please introduce yourself and your business.
I'm Julie May and we are selling vegetables and condiments here.
Only Chinese cabbage, ini?
Mana.
This is our second question. What product or services do you offer?
What kind of product? We have lots of vegetables and condiments. We sell oil and cellophane.
Third question. How long has you been
It's been 5 years, more than 5 years.
Fourth question. Who are your target customers?
Market customers are the consumers that sells calendarias, ginagmaya na.
How many businesses offer similar products or services in your area?
That's it.
Pila daw ka businesses ang na-offer sa imo o kuhaan daw ng similar product ang na-offer sa kanang mga vegetables.
Kumpra mo niya anak.
Ay, kamara.
Oo, kumpra pa yung dito sa bulwa.
Okay, ma'am.
Who are your main competitors?
Who sells veggies?
7 kamara.
So, proceed to 7. What makes your business different from your competitors?
Different? Different. Different. Well, we sell cheap. No cost.
Do you set your own prices or our prices influenced by competitors in the market?
Ang kuhaan daw, ang price ba daw, ma'am, is kanang ikaw ba daw ang nabuhan or na-influence ka sa own prices?
Own price.
Kuhaan, ma'am, if kuhaan daw ka kanang easy ka ba daw sunod daw ka ng business na dapat
What challenges do you face because of competition?
Thank you.
No stock at the market. What ay pinakalisod?
My question is, which products or services are your best sellers?
veggies.
How do you change a customer's demand affects your business?
Di siya ma-effect, pero chill na lang.
So, 13th question. Have you ever increased or decreased your prices? What caused the change?
Market. Market increase.
Number 14. How do you attract customers?
Like that.
Last question. What strategies do you use to stay competitive? Asa ang mga strategies nila nga kuan ka na maka-stay gyapon ka nga maka-compete sa lain nga sa
Available stock.
So, thank you Ma'am Julie May for your first question. What market structure does the business belong to? Explain your answer using at least 4 characteristics of that market structure.
So, na belong siya sa perfect competition kay daghan man sila ga-compete and gusto pod na mo kuan bitaw na unsay feeling sa mga vendors na kanang daghan sila ga-compete and unsay makuan nila na
Okay, go.
unsay
Is competition high or low?
high kay kanang daghan sila ga-compete sa isa ka lugar.
How does competition affect the business?
Ha?
How does competition affect the business?
Maapektuhan sila kay kanang sa isa ka lugar kay dagan sila ga-compete sa kanang gapamaligya sila pareha silang business mga vegetables.
Who influences the price?
So, ang ma-influences the price kay ang owner kay kanang una ko siya kay daghan siya ka competitors, daghan ko siya daghan ko baligya og mga gulay ana na area, so ma-influence siya sa price pod kay kuan kanang gapataas ang uban niya siya kay iya kay pundura sa siyang price.
Is the business a price taker or price maker?
So, ang business kay price maker siya kay dili sila ga take bitaw og price sa lain, like sila ri ga make kay para kuan pod kanang para sakto-sakto ra pod sa mamalit na inana ra ang price fresh das tsada pod ang price.
Is it easy for new businesses to enter the market? Explain.
So for me, dili gid kay sa easy no kay if mo gusto mo juga na nga business and mo like if mo for example mo tinda ka kulay, dili mag-expect juga na nga dili nang ikaw ang nga baligya ana kay kay compete nagi ga compete sa imo kay for example if di ba if magbaligya ka kulay, dili pa jud kay mo ang business bitaw kay ako kumangka.
Conclusion, vegetable vendors are truly belongs to a market structure because as Ma'am Julie May said nga if magbaligya ka og if na kay business is dili gid na mawala ang competitors like sa iyang business vegetable man ang business ni Ma'am Julie May, so naagid kay kapariya og baligya og ka same price mo nang ga-compete ang isa ka business o another business.
Bye-bye! Customers can easily compare prices and buy from any vendor anywhere. Since the vegetables are almost the same, no single seller has complete over the price.
Compete. Ay sana dagan sila ga compete dira sa isa ka lugar kanang gapamaligya sila prutas. Ay prutas. La 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 la.
Bloopers. Ito nga niya kanang customers padlong sa supply and demand. Mag-stop ka kapag product na
Good day, everyone!
We are the group one. So today, we are here to thank you, Ma'am Julie May, for your cooperation.